Industry-leading quality, unrivaled productivity, dedicated operability. The C6040E external cylindrical grinder. Simultaneous grinding of the entire outer face. The line length is reduced by approximately 70%. Overwhelming space productivity. C6040E. Combination of grinder technology. Between double-sided grinding wheel spindle for centerless grinder and tooling equipment for cylindrical grinder. Combination of Jtekt group technologies. C6040E. Space saving for productivity. Maximum workpiece width is 400 millimeters. Shaft shape with multiple locations of different diameters. The conventional grinding method uses 3 processes and 3 separate grinders. 3 cylindrical grinders are in operation, with the first grinding process by the first machine, the second process by the second machine, and the third process by the third machine to complete the grinding. The takt time is 60 seconds. For the 2 process and 2 separate grinders process, 2 cylindrical grinders are operated. Grinding is completed in the first grinding process by the first machine and the last process by the second machine. The takt time is 40 seconds. Saving processes for shaft grinding. Simultaneous grinding of all processes with wide grinding wheels. All processes can be completed by this machine, and a fast takt time of 40 seconds can also be achieved. Significant production line length reduction compared to conventional methods. The C6040E cylindrical grinding machine achieves the fastest takt time. The new external cylindrical grinder, created by the combination of centerless grinder and cylindrical grinder technologies, contributes to the improvement of space productivity of our customers.